I choose not to clean today. And you say, what? Angela choosing not to clean today? What's up with that? Hi there, I'm Angela Brown, and this is Ask a House Cleaner. This is a show where you get to ask a house cleaning question, and I get to help you find an answer. Now, if you're new here, I'm super excited that you've joined us. We are here 5 days a week, and we answer your house cleaning questions, and we help you grow a cleaning business. If you have not subscribed, today's the day. Hit the subscribe button when you come back to YouTube or your podcast app. We will be here waiting for you, and we can help you on your cleaning journey. All right, so on to today's show. Today's an unusual day in my house because everyone in my house runs off systems almost in an automated fashion. And I get up several hours before my husband gets up. So he's the last one out of the bed in the morning and the last one out of the shower. So part of his morning routine is he gets to make the bed, and he did today, okay? In all fairness to him, he did today, but by anyone's standard, it does not pass inspection. And my husband being OCD, you know something's wrong when you see a made bed and it looks like that, okay? So on his way out the door this morning, he shouts to me and he says, I choose not to squeegee the shower walls on my way out of the shower today. Now, today's an unusual day, like I said. We just had a member of the family pass away. We have a different, unrelated family member in the emergency room this morning. And I have a bunch of employee challenges going on this morning. So there's like mad chaos in my house with family, friends, employees, and issues, okay? So there's a lot of stuff going on. So when my husband said this to me, I choose not to squeegee the shower walls. I said, no worries. I choose to skip the laundry, the dishes, and the bathrooms today, okay? So in our household today, we made a conscious choice to skip the chores. And what is the fallout of that? What happens if you don't clean the house for the day? Well, the reality is we clean the house every day. It's part of our daily routines and part of our lifestyle. And everyone in our household is part of the community, and everyone contributes in their own way based on what they do in the house and the things that they use, and if they're the last one out of bed or the last one out of the shower or whatever, okay? So everyone has their own routines that all work really well together to keep our house a happy home. So on today, where there were conscious decisions made by everyone, we choose not to clean today. What we were saying was there are higher priorities in our lives today that are taking precedence over our cleaning chores. So we choose not to clean today. Now, nothing bad happens, okay? Our house is pretty tidy. We'll come back tomorrow. If tomorrow's a better day, we pick up where we left off yesterday and we do all those chores, okay? So it's not like we're just, our house is just now in shambles because we skipped a day of squeegeeing the showers or something. Worst case scenario, we have little beads that bead up on the shower walls and, oh no, we wash them tomorrow, okay? Not the end of the world. My point is this, cleaning on a day-to-day basis and having routines that you follow is a conscious choice. And if you don't make a conscious choice to live in a clean home, you are unconsciously making a choice not to, okay? So every day that you live in a clean home, it is a conscious choice. You chose to live in a clean home. And when you don't make a choice, you are unconsciously choosing not to. And so I just want to stop for a second and say it's not the end of the world if you should have higher priorities for the day. And as you continue your life, it's going to happen. You will have days where you're like, no way can I go in and do a load of laundry and wash a couple of dishes and do the normal routine. You're out of routine, you're out of sync. But if that is your normal process every day, then on the days where you have to make that judgment call, no worries, you just pick up tomorrow where you left off. So I just want to share that with you and let you know that it's the exception, not the rule, when you choose not to clean. All right, I hope that helps a little bit. If it does, leave your comments in the notes below, give us a thumbs up, and until we meet again, leave the world a cleaner place than when you found it.